Ever wondered why your computer slows down or abruptly freezes? Or even worse, displays the dreaded blue screen of death? Perhaps you've fallen victim to some common PC myths. Let's start with myth 1. Restarting your computer is a futile effort. Contrary to this belief, hitting the restart button is more than just a temporary solution. Restarting does more than just clearing out temporary files, it cleans up the entire system processes, giving your system a fresh start. So, when in doubt, restart. On comes myth 2. Hard drive defragmentation is equivalent to watching paint dry. Spoiler alert, it's not. Thanks to advancements in technology, modern operating systems now automatically defragment hard drives in the background. This saves you the trouble of waiting around for it to finish. Here's myth 3. Mac users can toss antivirus software out the window. Sorry folks, this one's a far cry from the truth. While Macs are indeed designed with several layers of security, they are not immune to threats. Therefore, an antivirus software is always a safe bet. Now for the biggie, myth 4. Upgrading your old computer is wishful thinking. Definitely not true. Instead of splurging on a new device, you can boost your existing computer's performance with a simple RAM or hard drive upgrade. It's a win-win, saves money, and enhances the system. Lastly, myth 5. Fixing computers is exclusively for geeks. Let's debunk this together. Handling common computer issues doesn't demand a computer science degree. Sometimes, a quick Google search or some troubleshooting can pave the way to resolution. So, bid goodbye to these PC myths. Remember, restarts can be lifesavers, defragmentation is auto-magical, Macs need antivirus tools, upgrades are feasible, and you, yes you, can fix your computer. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech wisdom.